keep one thing in mind. If you don't do it, then the consequences I have told you, it's horrible. Okay. You will be paying a huge amount if you're not doing it. Okay. Let's go to the next part of Google Search Console. Generally, this is not the part of the course, but we are going good. We are going at a good pace in our course, so we will cover this also. Okay, so what is performance of the website? Primarily, how many clicks, how many impressions, on which keywords you are ranking, on which keywords you are not ranking. To check that, for that, there are two options in Google now, Search Console now. One is search result, second is discovery or discover. Discover is primarily if you go on Google Chrome browsers on your phone, you see some automated links are coming below your search. Okay, so if you click on that, that comes under discover. Okay, and search result is normal Google search we are talking about. So let me show you a report of normal Google search of last 28 days and comparison report. Okay, why a comparison report? To tell you how things improve if you do it correctly. If you are not doing correctly, then you have to suffer also. Look at just number of clicks. Previously, we were getting 6.7 thousand clicks. Now, in last 28 days, we are getting 10,600 clicks. Our performance has improved by almost 35-40% in last only last 28 days. Okay, if you compare it with, like, let's say last 3 months, then so it's huge. Okay, it's 15 to 24K, almost same. Okay, I thought it will be a huge jump, but it is not. Okay, then total number of impressions. Earlier we were getting around 1.5 lakh. Now we are getting 3.5 lakh. Almost more than 2 times, almost 3 times you can 2.5 times you can consider. CTR has gone down. Sorry, has gone up. Earlier it was 4.5. Now it is 3. It has gone down because our impressions on a lot of keywords which earlier we were not ranking, now ranking. So automatically CTR goes down when we start working on new keywords. Next is our average position also goes down when your impressions increase by such a huge amount, that is almost 1.5 times. Okay, if I show you, let's not see comparison now. Let's see the real ranking. Okay, if you look at what people are searching, people searching Henry Howing education, content writing tutorials. Look at ranking, our ranking 1.2, Henry Howing Six Sigma 1.5, and look at how many people are searching it. Our ranking are super. Okay, Henry Howing content writing course, Henry Howing content writing course where there is no Henry Howing. We are ranking on 8th position, content writing course on 5.6. This is what all you can check. Okay, whatever people are searching and we are ranking, like content writing tutorials for beginners, we are ranking on 1st position. The only point to show you these ranking is not to praise Henry Howing, but is to tell the CTR values. If you're ranking on top, your CTR is like 20%, 50%. Okay, if you're ranking on 8th, look at this. Your CTR is just 3%. Okay, and if you go down, look at this. On 50th position, we are getting a 0.2 CTR. When we are at 12th, 13th position, our CTR is just 1.1%. Okay. 12th, 13th position, 1%, 19th position, 2%. Okay, this is what is happening. Okay, so your CTR will drop down if your ranking is high, and slowly, gradually, it will improve. Like we are ranking on these keywords on 20th position also, but we are sometimes getting an high CTR. But just don't compare it because the number of clicks is one and number of impression is one. So this can't be the actual CTR unless and until you're getting 20, 30 clicks on a single keyword. You can't really judge the rank. Okay, this is all what you can check, and you in comparison you can check what has improved over a period of time. Like, okay, if I see earlier how many people were searching, how many clicks we are getting. Okay, earlier on content writing course, people were clicking 54 times. Now people are clicking 93 times. Okay, and if you look at average positions also, okay, then you can see the improvement of average position of our website that you can compare. Six Sigma in hospitality industry rankings are improved. Technical writing course earlier it was 22, now it is 10. So this is what is happening, and this all data is updated 24 hours ago according to specific time. Okay, so this is all you can see. Apart from that, in Discover you can see where we are discovered. Okay, and how many people were clicking and which blogs are getting discovered. Okay, which country people are clicking, discovery, appearance, no data, on which date you are getting how many clicks is also reflected here. So that is in performance, that's all in Google Search Console. Now, Aditya has a question. He has raised hand. Please let me know, Aditya.
Yeah.
If anyone else has a question, please raise hand and we can take your questions. Yeah, Aditya, go ahead, please.
So in my search console, in overview, that performance, then we click on open report. I am not able to change the date. It is by default showing last 3 months. If I click on last 28 days, it is showing the apply button.
You can share your screen, please.
Yeah. So if I click on overview,
you can't see in overview. You have to see it in performance.
Performance.
You can change the dates here now.
In fact, here only I was, I think, last 28. Yeah. But so, I mean, last 20 days, I'm doing last 7 days, but it is not giving that apply button.
Zoom out. Can you press Control minus? Yeah.
No, it is not showing.
That is some panel problem, really. I can't. Can you refresh the page, please? Yeah.
Achha, now it is getting. Okay.
It's so some resolution issue.
Processing data, please check again in a day or two. Okay.
Because you have just updated it, so it will take 1 or 2 days to get you data.
Actually, see, this is actually a 9-year-old domain. So previously it had a website on WordPress, and then about 3 months back, we kind of deleted that and uploaded a new one. So I think a few pages which are coming are for the old website. So
because you have submitted the site old sitemap, now you have to submit the new sitemap. Once you do it, then the old data will go and the new data will come. Okay.
So this is all okay. This under coverage error, it is.
It's fine. Some crawling issues are there. Once you have submitted the sitemap, remove the old sitemap. It will start crawling and check it after a week. If still there, then we need to work on it. Otherwise, it's fine.
I think only one sitemap is there. Submitted sitemap is showing only one. The one which
maybe earlier old account used to have the ownership has transferred to you. Maybe. Okay. That in that cases you will see such data. Okay. So that's all in Search Console.